Welcome back to VPS e-learning class beta. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your lesson tenses of English language. Today I am going to start with your lesson 22, that is comprehension beta. Okay, in this you have to given one paragraph. Below that some questions are given. So questions are related to the given passage. So when you read the passage carefully, you can be easily give the answers of that questions. So go through the Antarctica passage which I am going to explain today. So you have to complete it in your English language fair copy. Some questions are related to that passage. Okay, so you have to read the passage Antarctica carefully, then start writing your answers about Antarctica. So complete it neatly, nicely, and if you feel any problem in completing the passage, the comprehension, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, and send it before 9:30 beta. Okay, don't make untidy work. Please write neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and complete it. Okay beta, let's start with the comprehension lesson 22. As you all know that yesterday I have explained the lesson 19 tenses beta. Today I am going to start with your new chapter 22 comprehension. In this type of passages are given and related some questions are given. So you have to read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follows. Means you have to read this paragraph and you have to write down the answers of this question which is given in this paragraph only. You have to leave this first one. I am going to demonstrate the second one, that is Antarctica. This passage is compulsory, you have to go through it. Okay beta, read the following passage carefully and questions that follows. Antarctica is one of the 7 continents on the earth. Means you all know that there are 7 continents on earth. So this is one of the 7 continents on the earth. This continent is located at the south pole surrounded by southern ocean. Means this continent is located at the south pole. This is situated in the south pole surrounded by southern oceans are there. Surrounded means charo taraf. This is the 5th largest on the basis of size but the smallest on the basis of population amongst all continents. Means this is the 5th largest on the basis of size but smallest on the basis of population, because no more population is there, only few pupils are there amongst all continents. There is not even a single house on this continent. Okay, this is the coldest, driest and windiest continent. Means this is the coldest means बहुत ठंडा, driest सूखा and windiest means हवा चलती रहती है. This continent is not the part of any country. Okay, it is clear now. Antarctica is the storehouse of almost the 90% of ice on earth. Means Antarctica cover the 90% of the ice on earth found. Okay, so it has as much ice on it as the Atlantic Ocean has water in it. Means it has 90% of the ice it contains, and in the Atlantic Ocean there is as much as water is there. There is no sign of human activities on Antarctica. Okay, it is not possible for the humans to survive there easily. That's why there is no sign of human activities on Antarctica beta. It never rains in Antarctica, means never rains there at that place. Only a few species of animals like polar bear and seals survive there. Means 2 type of animals are there, polar bear and seals only. These are the 2 animals which survive in that area. However, scientific basis of different countries are there. Means many scientific bases are there of different countries. Scientists from all over the world go there to do research work. So why scientists go there? To do the research work. Some people go there as tourists. There is hardly any scene of sun setting and sun rising there. Means all the day is always the same. very hardly any scene of sun setting or sun rising will be shown there. However, there is austral light that keeps light there always to make the things visible. However, there is austral light, means austral light, dim light is there that keeps there always to make the things visible. There are no suitable conditions for human being to survive there, but Antarctica is very important continent for the survival of all life on the earth. Means there is no suitable condition for human beings to survive there, but Antarctica is very important continent for the survival of all life on the earth. It is so because the menace of global warming keeps on increasing like this, and if always global warming increase like this, the glaciers on the surface of Antarctica will melt, and resultantly the water level in the oceans will rise, and the land area of earth will submerge into water and everything will finish. Means अगर ऐसे ही ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ती रही तो अंटार्कटिका की बर्फ पिघल सकती है और उसकी वजह से बाढ़ आ सकती है और सब कुछ पानी में डूब जाएगा and everything will be finished. Okay. Global warming means increase in the average temperature of the earth. Global warming means increase in the average temperature of the earth. We all need to take care of the things which lead to global warming. So we have to take care that global warming not increase. We come to the next page. Should avoid such activities which led to global warming. We have to avoid the activities which help to increase the global warming. We should use fossil fuel, polythene, electronic things, etc. as less as possible on our part. Means we have to use less fossil fuel, polythene or electronic things. That will be help to increase the global warming. Okay. Some questions are given below this. You have to complete in your English language copy beta. Okay. So you have to start first go through the passage, then you start the writing the question answers in your according to this passage which is given in the comprehension in your English language fair copy beta. Okay. Thank you.